Hey everybody and welcome. In this video we will be discussing about how to fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome Android device. So let's just begin. First of all, you can see, let's just assume that you're getting this kind of error on your Google Chrome and you're not able to surf your browsers or maybe different kind of tabs that you're trying to open. So that could be sometimes a very annoying issue, and for that what I suggest is simply heading over to your device settings, and once you are there you can see we are going to be heading over to our Chrome. So search in here for Chrome in your settings, and once you do you should be able to get your Google Chrome application. So head over to application info, and then you can see we have various settings in here. So the very first thing that I suggest is you can first of all try reinstalling the application if first of all if this is not working. So you can head over to your storage and cache, head over to clear storage and clear cache. You should be doing these two options at the bottom, as you can see. Then you can go back and you can see we have notifications and all that, so make sure that you reset your notification information as well. And you can see you can set this application to open by default instead of any other application that you have, and you can see you can also enable install unknown apps from this application, since it is an authentic app, so you do not need to worry about that. So you can see, make sure if you have any kind of update pending in your app store, make sure to do that update. That is really important, that you should be keeping in mind. And once you complete all of these steps, you should be able to get everything fixed up. So once you try that again, once it is going to be updated, you should probably have everything fixed, and your Google Chrome should work perfectly fine. So I hope this is going to be helping, and that's how you can fix 403 forbidden error on Google Chrome Android. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.